In this video, we will talk about delicious appetizers and ideas for delicious soups. First, we will talk about appetizers. Anytime you enjoy the entertainment, guests love the great appetizers. Serving small bites is an easy way to start the party. The delicious starters are also the perfect start to any meal. There are many ideas, including 1. Oven-baked chicken fingers with chipotle honey mustard. 2. Chicken potstickers. 3. Grilled chicken wings in an Asian dressing. 4. Smoked eggs with bacon. 5. Dip artichoke and spinach. 6. Grilled tuna skewers. 7. Crunchy coconut shrimp. There are many recipes for more ideas. I collected the best book for recipes about delicious appetizers. Link to buy this book in the description box. To find out a brief summary of this book, we will explain it as follows. Book name: The Perfect Instant Cookbook, 800 delicious, fast, healthy, and easy to follow recipes for beginners and advanced users on a budget cover. In this instant perfect cookbook, you'll find 800 recipes in these categories. Easy recipes for pasta and rice. Something for fish and seafood lovers. Tons of delicious pork, beef, lamb, and poultry recipes. Bean and cereal recipes for fast food. Soups, stews, and hot peppers. Pressure cooker recipes with vegetables and vegetarians. Delicious snacks and appetizers. Quick desserts. Get it now to get all these delicious recipes. Now we start with the first recipe for appetizers. For lovers of caviar with us recipe. Cowboy Caviar. Recipe ingredients: 1/3 can lemonade. 1 tablespoon olive oil. Half clove of grated garlic. Kosher salt and pepper. 1 ounce black-eyed peas. Half plum tomatoes. 2 green onions chopped. 1 chopped yellow pepper. 1 large jalapeno chopped. 1 canned corn. 1 avocado, chopped. Half fresh coriander chopped. All components are available in the description box. Let's prepare the recipe. 1. In a large bowl, whisk together lime juice, oil, garlic, and half teaspoon of each salt and pepper. Toss with peas, tomatoes, scallions, yellow pepper, jalapeno, and corn. Refrigerate for a minimum of half hour and up to 2 hours. 2. Toss with avocado and cilantro and serve with chips. Try the recipe and tell me your opinions in the comments. Of course, we know the many benefits of avocado and that there are many of our recipes, so the following recipe will contain avocados. Avocado full of lemon shrimp. Ingredients: 1 small shallot, chopped. 1/4 can of mayonnaise. 3 tablespoons soured cream. 3 tablespoons lemonade. 2 tablespoons fruit juice. 1 pound peeled, cooked, and chopped shrimp. 1 tomato grapes, cut in half. 1 chili serrano thinly sliced. 2 ripe avocados, halved. All components are available in the description box. Let's prepare the recipe. 1. During a small bowl, whisk together the leeks, mayonnaise, soured cream, juice, fruit juice, and 3/4 teaspoon salt. 2. During a large bowl, combine shrimp, tomato, hot pepper, and half the sauce. Chill for 20 minutes or up to 2 hours. 3. To serve, pour avocado halves and sprinkle with the remaining sauce. Garnish with coriander and serve with sweet potato chips. Try the recipe and tell your opinions within the comments. Zucchini Tots. Ingredients recipe: 2 medium zucchini. 1 large egg. Half can grated pecorino. Half a box of panko. 1 clove of garlic, crushed. Half a teaspoon black pepper. All components are available in the description box. Let's prepare the recipe. 1. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Cover an outsized baking sheet with non-stick cooking spray. Chop the zucchini and dry it with paper towels. Mix the chopped zucchini with the eggs, pecorino, panko, garlic, and pepper. 2. Use a teaspoon to drop tablespoons of the mixture on the prepared baking tray. Then form each of them into a little log. Bake during a 400 degrees Fahrenheit oven, stirring midway, until golden brown, for 20 to 22 minutes. Try the recipe and tell me your opinions within the comments. Orange-Glazed Meatballs. Ingredients recipe. 1 package 625-gram frozen fully cooked Angus beef meatballs. 340-gram marmalade. 1/4 cup fruit juice. 3 green onions, chopped. 1 jalapeno chopped. Let's prepare the recipe. Prepare meatballs consistent with package directions. 1. In a small saucepan, heat the marmalade, fruit juice, half the green onions, and therefore the jalapeno. 2. Place meatballs during a serving dish, pour glaze over the highest and gently stir to coat. Garnish with remaining green onions. Try the recipe and tell me your opinions within the comments. Creamy artichoke dip. Ingredients. 2 cans water-packed artichoke hearts, rinsed, drained, and coarsely chopped. 2 cups shredded part skim mozzarella cheese. 1 cup of cheese. 1 cup shredded Parmesan cheese. Half cup mayonnaise. Half cup shredded Swiss cheese. 2 tablespoons juice. 2 tablespoons plain yogurt. 1 tablespoon chopped seeded jalapeno. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. Tortilla chips. All components are available in the description box. Let's prepare the recipe. Mix 11 ingredients and cook over a coffee heat for an hour and serve with the tortilla chips. Try the recipe and tell me your opinions within the comments. Now, we've presented multiple sorts of recipes for delicious appetizers, and that we are seeing recipes for delicious healthy soups. Cabbage soup. Ingredients recipe. 450 grams cabbage chapped. 1 cans 400 grams diced tomatoes. 4 cups vegetable broth. 2 large carrots shredded. 2 celery ribs sliced. 1 large onion diced. 2 garlic cloves minced. 4 bay leaves. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 1 teaspoon paprika. Half a teaspoon chili flakes. Kosher salt and pepper. Let's prepare the recipe. 1. Warm the olive oil over medium heat. Add onion, carrots, celery, garlic, chili flakes, paprika, ground coriander, and bay leaves. Cook stirring about 5 minutes. 2. Add the cabbage and give a good stir for about 1 minute. 3. Add the canned tomatoes, broth, and a good pinch of salt. 4. Raise the heat and bring the mixture to a boil, then cover the pot, reduce heat and cook gently for 25 minutes. 5. When the soup is cooked, remove the pot from heat, then remove the bay leaves. 6. Blend about 1/3 of the soup with a blender and return it to the pot. The recipe is served hot. Try the recipe and tell me your opinions in the comments. White bean and kale soup. Ingredients recipe. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 1 medium-sized onion diced. 200 grams large carrots, diced. 120 grams large celery sticks, diced. 3 garlic cloves, minced. Half a teaspoon paprika. 1 teaspoon oregano. 110 grams green beans cut into chunks. 1 can white beans, drained. 1 cans tomatoes. 1 tablespoon tomato paste. 80 grams kale and leaves chopped. 720 milliliters water or low-sodium vegetable broth. 2 bay leaves. Fine salt, black pepper to taste. Let's prepare the recipe. 1. In a large pot or saucepan, heat the olive oil over medium heat. Add onions, carrots, and celery and cook the vegetable slowly until done, for about 10 minutes, stirring often. 2. Then add garlic, oregano, paprika and cook for about 45 to 60 seconds. 3. Stir in beans, canned tomatoes, green beans, tomato paste, bay leaves, broth, and water. Bring to the boil, then reduce to medium heat, cover, and cook for 20 minutes. 4. Then stir in the kale and continue to simmer until the kale is cooked for 3-4 minutes, or until the kale is tender but still bright green. 5. Taste and adjust the seasoning according to your taste. The recipe is served hot. Try the recipe and tell me your opinions in the comments. We will be finished today, and the next video, we will talk about examples of salad. If you like the video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, press button at the bell to reach you all new